Hi everyone, welcome to another session of psychoactive drugs. So in this session, we are going to discuss about depressants and hallucinogens. So first, we will see what are depressants. So the drugs of this category are called as downers. So drugs of these categories are also known as drowners and downers and include sedatives. These include sedatives, hypnotics, and narcotics. So this group comprises of all the transpilling, sleep-inducing, stress-reducing, sedating substances. So you can see like drugs which are used for sedations and which are like sleep-inducing. We can say sleeping pills, barbiturates, and all comes under this class. So this sleep-inducing and stress-reducing and the sedating substances comes under this depressants. So these depressants are called as downers. So these are these substances which are like sedative substances which occasionally they bring perpetual alterations like dream pictures and also frequently induce a sensation of euphoria. For example, like alcoholic beverages, you can say like alcohols beverages, then barbiturates, then benzodiazepines. So these are the examples of depressants. So these are the examples for depressants, alcohols or alcoholic beverages, for example, ethanol and barbiturates and benzodiazepines. So this like alcohols, barbiturates act on the central nervous system like any other things. It acts on central nervous system to suppress its vital functions. So relax. So this it affects the central nervous system and suppress the vital functions of it, and thus it relax and generate a sense of well-being, and produces sleep. So like any other stimulants and all, it affects the central nervous system, and this after affecting this, it suppresses the central nervous system and it relaxes the body, and it generates a sense of well-being and produces the sleep. That is why this is how it is affecting on the body of the person. And the barbiturates are generally taken by mouth, so we are swallowing it, we are not injecting it, we are swallowing that one. And the average sedative dose is about 10 to 70 milligrams. So average, if we are taking a 10 to 70 milligram, it becomes like a sedative dose. So some barbiturates are mixed more gently than others and are generally termed as long acting barbiturates like phenobarbital. And on the other side, certain barbiturates are absorbed rather quickly and are termed as short acting barbiturates. So let me talk more about barbiturates in the next slide. So I hope you understood till here. Like depressants are the other classification, third classification of psychoactive drug, and it is also called as downers. Why? Because they act as sedatives and used as hypnotics, and they are sleep inducing as well as stress reducing, and they produce a sedation. That's why they are called downers. And some examples are alcohols, barbiturates, and benzodiazepines, and they act on central nervous system, and after affecting it, it suppress and relax the body so that it generate a sense of well-being and it produces the sleep. So if we take a 10 to 70 milligram of barbiturates by mouth, generally we take by mouth, swallowing it. So the route of administration is mouth. so that it can affect the body. So speaking about barbiturate, so barbiturates, they are also referred to as downers because they create a feeling of well-being. They can create a feeling of well-being, and they relax the body and produce sleep. So, among the drugs, the most frequently prescribed to induce sedation and sleep by both physicians and veterinarians are the barbiturates. So, commonly, when the doctors prescribe barbiturates for for producing the sleep and all, like sleeping pills. So, we will get barbiturate tablets as sleeping pills, and this also affect the central nervous system, and it suppress the vital functions. The derivatives of these barbiturates are the derivatives of barbituric acid, and about 2500 derivatives of barbiturate acid are there. These barbiturates are derivatives of barbituric acid, and around 2500 barbituric acid derivatives are there, and but only 15 only we are using 15 and remain in physical use. So 2500 derivatives are there, out of which we are using 15 barbituric derivatives for medicinal use, and only 5 that is I'll write the name here: amobarbital, this first one is amobarbital, second one is secobarbital, then third one is phenobarbital, fourth one is pentobarbital, and fifth one is butabarbital. So these seemingly suffix for most present day medical applications. So there are like 5 barbiturate derivatives: amobarbital, secobarbital, phenobarbital, pentobarbital, butabarbital. So these are suffix for most present day medical applications, and slang terms for barbs. We are using barbs, 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 using usually stem from the color of the capsules or tablets. For example, like yellow jacket or blue devils and reds, like that, according to their color. According to the color of the barbs, we are naming the tablets, like yellow jackets, then blue devils, and reds. So like this we are giving name. And barbiturates are normally taken orally. So I told you here, normally the depressants are taken, the route of administration is by mouth, that is orally we are intaking this all the depressants. Likewise barbiturates are also we are intaking orally. And the average dose, I told, it's 10 to 70 milligrams, and the larger dose causes sleep of 20 to 30 minutes after oral administration. And if the dosage is increased, and however the effects of barbiturates may progress through the successive stage of sedation, like sleep. First it will go to sedation, then sleep, after that it will go to coma to death. So normally you have to like normal thing is 10 to 70. If the dosage increases, then it will go to sedation, then sleep, then coma to death. And this death is from respiratory arrest, breathing problem will come, respiratory arrest, or cardiovascular cardiovascular complications. So the prolonged use can produce physical dependence. So these are the like problems which arise when we use larger dose of barbiturates. So this is about barbiturate. So another example we told is benzodiazepines. So after barbiturates, we'll check what is benzodiazepines. So the benzodiazepine family of CNS depressant is used as therapeutically to produce sedation, which induce sleep and relieve anxiety. So this drug is consumed to get sleep and relieve the anxiety. And alprazolam and diazepam. Diazepam are the two most frequently encountered benzodiazepines on the illicit market. So these are the two commonly encountered benzodiazepines, that is alprazolam and diazepam are the two most commonly encountered benzodiazepine in the illicit market. So this is about benzo diazepines. Alcohols are also there. So alcohol I will take as a separate class. So I hope you understood till here. Depressants are also called as downers. So they are called as these downers because of it is sedation nature. So sedatives, hypnotics, and narcotics. Then they are sleep inducing and stress reducing. And the examples include alcohols, barbiturates, benzodiazepines, that is depressants, and they act on central nervous system, and they suppress the vital functions of the central nervous system and relax the body and generate a sense of well-being and produces the sleep. And generally these are taken orally, that is the route of administration is mouth. And the barbiturates, they are also called as downers and create a feeling of well-being, relax the body, produces sleep, CNS, that is it also affects the central nervous system. Then there are the derivatives of barbituric acid. Over 2500 derivatives are there for barbituric acid, out of which 15 we are taking as medicine, taken for medicinal use. And mostly this five, this that is the amobarbital, secobarbital, phenobarbital, pentobarbital, and butabarbital, they are named according to their suffix we are adding by medical applications. And the slang terms for barbs usually stem from the color of the capsules and or tablets. Usually we call barbs as barbiturates, and as looking at the color of the barbs, we can give the name as yellow jackets, blue devil, reds, etc. So that is about barbiturates. And benzodiazepines are the therapeutically to produce sedation and induce sleep and relieve the anxiety. And there are two benzodiazepines are presently we are getting in the illicit market. They are as alprazolam and diazepam. So till here I hope you understood. In the next session I think I will take the alcohol, the example alcohol, because I have to take it separate. So if you have any doubts regarding this in this regarding this session, you are free to ask. And so let me conclude here. Thank you.